Oh yeah, had a hole.
I was cracking all around there, so fuel was seeping out of here. Now we're gonna put all new hardware and a new gasket on this. I'm also gonna put new battery trays in. They're a little easier and make it a little bit easier to get in and out of here. Give them a little more storage. And then you gotta line, this needs to be lined up a certain way. This gasket only goes one way on here. If you think you got it lined up, you just gotta make sure that all the holes are lined up like that. Because you could have it like this. And one hole's not lined up. So it's this way. Just like that. Also, the sender goes in one way. Sender goes in only one way. So it was sitting in there just like that. Stick it back in there just like that. All the holes are going to line right up. So guys, I was digging around here in the bilge to replace the bilge pumps because of the fuel leak we had. Took out the float switches on one of the bilge pumps, and I wasn't really happy on the sender. I felt like that there was something else wrong, and I noticed the water separator was empty. And then I started digging around in here, noticing there's a puddle of fuel there. Well, come to find out, on the raid cores, they got that little nipple. That thing's been slowly leaking in this boat, and that's where the fuel leak is. So I'm glad I listened to my gut. We're going to replace this fuel separator here. We're just going to put a regular MAR filter on there and take care of that, and then that way this is done. And we just got to replace the one bilge pump. The other one's working fine, so we're going to replace the one and be done. This one will be out.